going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so motor is finally assembled. Gonna shoot a quick little video and show you. Panther, be quiet. Show you the assembly. Show you a little few things I did to it to make the motor perform better and just be a better motor. But yeah, hope you enjoy. See how the motor turned out at the end, and next thing to do is get this motor in and move on to the next step. So the block is assembled. Finally, I did gap all the rings and had to clean everything and oil it all up. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. But next thing we're doing is modifying the oil pump. Go ahead and knock all these hoses out. So that's actually part of it. But so that this is where the oil actually passes through right here. It gets pumped out of here and it comes through this way. And this little corner right there, that little corner, that round part right there, all I'm going to do is smoothen it out and smoothen about half of the hole out. So as the oil passes through here, it could just flow and come through the actual hole, which is, you know, right there. So it's just going to help with high RPMs. So it's a little something I saw on YouTube. Somebody did on a build. So just going to do that real quick. All right, so we got it all cleaned up. You can kind of see right there where I kind of 808 on the edge inside there. And I cleaned it up a little bit after that. Probably could have taken away a little bit more, but that should be good. It's going to help on the high RPMs. And I got to put some assembly lube on here. Make sure we're lubricated. And then go ahead and put the pump back together. Torque it down to spec. And then get ready and put it on the block. Yeah. Hey, hope you liked the video. Let me know what y'all think. Next thing is to get this motor put in the car. So we'll be putting on the clutch, transmission, all that. I already got parts. We'll swap them out, put fresh parts in there, get it closed up, and get it dropped in, and then move on to the next step, which would be wiring. But yeah, appreciate it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and on the next one.